Hey everyone, today I will show you how to connect Sui Wallet to OKX with simple steps. So the initial step is to add OKX extension to the Chrome. Search it in the Chrome and add the extension to the Chrome browser. Successfully adding the extension, it will lead to the OKX dashboard to create a wallet or import an existing wallet. You can import your existing wallet using the seed phrase. Now we will create a wallet clicking on Create Wallet button and select seed phrase. You can use biometric authentication if using the mobile app, but here we will select password and create a strong password. Once setting your password, system will provide you 12-word seed phrase. Copy it and save it for future preferences and it will be really helpful in coming future. Here, it will ask you to verify seed phrase. Verify the seed phrase. Once you have done it, it will lead you to the OKX dashboard. Here, once you are in the dashboard, scroll down and you'll see Manage Crypto option. From here, we need to select and manage crypto and also search for Sui and add it to the dashboard. Now let's search for the Sui in the search option and here you can see Sui option and click on the add button. Now let's go to the dashboard and here you can see Sui is added to the dashboard. Now after completing the account setup, let's download Sui extension. Go to suiwallet.com and add it to the Chrome. Please remember Sui and Stas has combined to Slush and it's become one actually. So once you have added it to the Chrome, go to more options to create a wallet or import the existing wallet. Here click on it and create a passphrase account. Once you have clicked it, a system will provide you the recovery phrase. Please note down that this phrase is really important to connect to OKX. So save it or copy the address and you can save it to the drive. Once you have done it, click on the next and create password and here your account is created. Now go to the OKX dashboard. Here at the top of the left hand side menu you can see the account section with wallet. Here click on it. Now this is where you add the wallet. Here select on add wallet and click on import an existing account. Write down the seed phrase that we have copied before and click confirm. A pop-up will appear from Sui Wallet and please click on confirm to approve the connection. This is how you can easily connect your Sui Wallet to OKX. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.